So you want to know the best way to buff off your Odie Wax. We showed you in the previous video how to apply it. Now we're going to buff it off. I like to start with a cotton terry towel. Nice cotton terry towel, simple one. This is literally a washcloth. And then I like to follow up and finish with a microfiber towel. So we're going to start with the cotton terry towel. We're going to work in the direction of the grain. And we're going to start wiping that wax off. And the key is to remove every bit of wax. I don't advise using a polisher to remove your wax. Your initial wipe down or buff off should be done by hand. And if you want to follow up later on, after you know you got all the wax off the surface, you can follow up with a clean bonnet, maybe a lamb's wool or cotton bonnet with a machine if you like. It's not always necessary. So, if you could see up close, the oil and the wax are still in this piece, but I'm getting up all that excess residual, and there's still a little bit of a smear on this surface, and I'm going to get the rest of that off on my next buff off. And I'm probably going to need another rag, so I'm going to probably need somebody to get me another rag, because it looks like this rag is starting to get spent already. I usually like to work with a little bit bigger of a towel, but we happen to have these small little washcloths here. And I was just a little heavy-handed this time on applying this wax. And I don't advise using too much. Use very little wax on your first application. Yeah. So, once your first rag's starting to get loaded up and kind of feeling kind of slimy, switch to a new rag. And you can notice right away, I'm getting a better sheen. I'm looking at this, I'm getting all that excess wax up. It's coming off. So now you got your whole piece literally wiped down, buffed off. You got pretty much all the wax off the surface with your cotton towel. Now is the time I like to switch to a microfiber to make sure I got the last little bit of that wax off that surface. Really simple. Scrub the piece down. And I can see that last little bit of residual wax is coming off the surface. This microfiber will grab any little bit micro layer of wax that's left above the wood fiber. Boy, that looks pretty. And this piece has got damage, it's been used, it's older, but it still looks great. I just put a coat of wax on the surface just to kind of freshen it up. We cleaned it up a little bit in previous videos, but man, now it's shining. Hit it one more time, a couple spots, make sure I got it all off. And I can tell I got it all off by the rag moves smooth across the surface now. There's really no grab. Less is more with Odies. Don't apply too much. Make sure you get all the wax and finish off the surface, and you're gonna have a great piece. If you leave finish on the surface or wax on the surface, it's gonna dry hazy and dull, and it's gonna look dry. And that's because you have too much finish on the piece, and it has nothing to bond to but oxygen and air. So only what's in the wood is what should remain. And if that's the case, then you're going to have a beautiful piece that'll shine like this, that's going to last decades.